Okay, Shane, we'll review this report. This is the report from Eagle River, um, Carpenter Lake Road. Looks good. Looks good here. All right. I'm going to have you start sending out your own reports here, buddy. I put my cover photo in. I kind of liked it a little better than yours. Okay, so let me put my pump installer's license here. I'm going to just do one report. So, okay, now we got basement. Yep. The ceilings are all finished. Okay, floor structure can be further added when the water is removed from the basement. Okay. Yeah, let me take a look at that. Looks like the trusses were holding up pretty good. What did you say here? Okay, good. Okay. Yep, good. Yeah, it's a possibility. Yep, good. Yep. Okay, good. Good. Well, they might want us to come over there before spring, depending on. Well, spring's only a couple of weeks away, so I guess it doesn't matter. In furnace. Yeah, good. We don't know if it's the septic is froze. It could be the line going to the septic. There we go. Water backing up into the home did not allow for further water to be ran through the home. The kitchen. Water backing up did not allow for up in the drains. Did not allow for water to be ran through the home. The kitchen sink did have a leak on the left side. That's a small arrow you got there, buddy. There we go. Let me see if I can cover that one up. There we go. I covered it up. Good, boy. I did that real good. All right. Okay, so I got that. Did not work properly. Okay. Good. Low recovering, a low yielding well. Refer to .01. 12.01. And I always make this bold here, like that. There we go. We just put not inspected here. Okay. Well, we know it's a basement. Let me see. plug ends. Electric Romex wiring should not be wired to plug ends and used for extension cords. I don't know. I think it looks pretty good to me, man. I think they did a nice job on that. I know Rich trips out on that stuff, but oh well. Let us leave it. That's actually the outlet that's damaged. Was broken. It should be replaced. Yep. Good. Yep. 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 Good. Good. Smoke detector should be installed in each floor and in each bedroom. Good. Eating. I like that comment. Are these on the outside walls? They look like it. Probably from ice damming, eh? Good. Stairs. Wasn't there basement stairs? I thought the stairs were in good shape. We went up and down them. Put an R on it. Goo eye, man. We don't know if there's ridge vents. Yep, it's probably buried with snow somewhere. Okay, and then I put the water test in here. Yep. Oh, there it is. What am I doing? I already had it in there. Yep. Okay. So that's the water, the drain cock. Talked about the drain cock. I got this well stuff in here. So read my comments. Read my comments on here. That'll help you understand what's going on. They got that valve. The water comes in from the well right here. And then there's that valve right here. That's a throttle valve. So anyways, I don't know. It can create a buried suction line if it's closed. So anyways, read my comments. Thought they were pretty good. Let's see what your septic system says here. Okay. Nice. A lot of snow. Too many spaces there. Yeah. It's probably caused some ice damming. Yep. Good. Great. I think that's it, man. Good job. All right, so here's how we do. Once you get the report all reviewed, like we just did, we're going to go to upload. We're going to go to full report for upload. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and home. It's on home inspection. That's what we want. Okay, and now we're going to just hit OK, OK. Okay, here we got inspection report. Very good. Looks good. Make sure all the photos are good size. Nice photos. You do a good job of taking photos. Yeah. You're ready to start sending them out on your own. As long as there's not a septic or a well. If there's a septic or, a well, then I will have to add in my 2 cents worth. But if it's just a home inspection, you can just go ahead and start sending them out. Yeah, you do a good job, Shane. Come a long ways, buddy. Okay. All right. So let's get. So what you do now? Just hit upload. I just want to make sure all the pictures were the proper size. So upload. It's going to upload to the cloud. Sometimes you need to click off and then click back on, and then there it is. Yes, hit yes. Okay. So let's go to Shane over here. Okay, there it is. We're going to go to viewing. This is where you go, viewing. Make public. You copy that link. Copy. Hit yes. Make it public. Now we're going to go back over to ISN. Right here, 3425. And we're going to click this little circle over here. All right, now we got the action button. We're going to go upload report. Report. Provide report URL right here. Type in home inspection report, and then we're gonna paste, hit enter, make sure this check mark is checked here. Okay, it's gonna bring you back to the order, and then set report URL, that blue button right here. Okay, and it's doing its thing, and okay, great. Now let's double check this here. Make sure we got the right report in here. There it is. Always double check. Make sure you got the right report. Good job. Okay, and so the only other thing we need to do is I need to pop in my 3300 form, but we're going to go ahead and send this out anyways because they got to pay for it. So we're going to go send email. All right, and then we're going to just send it to, okay, back, my brother called me. Okay, so we've got, so we're going to send it out to the buyer, to the client. He hasn't paid for it, so he hasn't paid for it yet, so I'm not going to attach anything here. Okay, if he paid for it, then I would do that. So just send the report. If he hasn't paid for it, it's going to ask him to pay for it now. Okay, so he's going to get an email. It's going to say you need to pay for this inspection before you can view it. Okay, and then over here, once they pay it, then we come back over here and then we send it out from HomeGage. We just click on that, click this one, that one over here, make sure, and then we hit send email. But we're not going to do that right now because he hasn't paid for it. So once he pays for it, then we'll go back and do that. But right now, I'm going to just go ahead and do the 3300 form. Okay, which if you want to watch, this is how I do it. 3300, that's the DNR form over here. And then we got this property transfer right here. Click on that. It's going to download here. And we're going to pop that open. Okay. So we're going to go in here. I got to put the client's name in here. So let's go. Let me just hit my backspace here. Go back to the client. One more backspace here. Backspace. Come on. Where you at? There we go. All right. So let me get the Daniel. Copy. Go over here and we're going to put in his name. Boom. We can put in his phone number. Boom. Okay, and then we're gonna go down here. Let's see, Vilas County. Let me get the address here. Vilas County. So click here. We gotta. Oh, pretty soon, once you pass your well test, you'll need to know how to do this. And then we'll paste over here the address. The city it was it Eagle River? Eagle River. And the zip is 54521. There was no unique well number. So we just leave that blank. So we'll go over here. Yep, 5421. Yep, okay. Let me just go here. I'm going to download this septic permit here because it's got the location. Okay, so let's see what the location says. Northeast, southwest. So we're going to go over here and go northeast, southwest. Okay, and then it's 18. Looks like a 40. I think it's a 40. Let me see if there's anything else down here. Yeah, 40, 18, 40, 11 east. 18, 40, 11 east. There we go. So we got all that information here from the septic permit. Sometimes we got the septic permit, we can do that. Sometimes we don't. So anyway, so we got all this kind of filled out here. That's all we need to do. And then we're going to say the wellhead, casing height. Yep, and sample tap, missing. So we know this doesn't comply. And we can put a wellhead was not visible under snow. Okay, and then got my signature in here, and then we'll put the date. What was that date? When was we? Didn't we do that? The 7th. Okay. Back over here. We'll go 3/7/2019. Great. So now I got that done. So now I just go over here. Let me just copy this here. I'm going to save it in a PDF. Save as PDF right here. I'm going to go to downloads. And then I'm going to just kind of take it from here and then paste the address in there that I just copied and hit save. All right, and then I can close these out. I can go back to ISN, action, view uploaded attachments. So I'm going to upload attachments here. We already got the septic permit in here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit select file, go to download, and go to 3300 form, and it's going to be right there. And then I'm going to hit open, and it's going to put it here. I'm going to hit upload selected file, and that's going to upload that. There it is. Beautiful, right here. And make sure this is checked here when you do your attachments. Attachments are public, that way it turns green here, that means they can view them. So once he pays, he'll be able to view those attachments. So, and then I'll go ahead and, once he pays, I'll go ahead and send it to the realtor, to the buyer's agent, and then I'll send it out from HomeGauge. So anyways, very good job, Shane. Maybe we'll do another one or two, and then I'll have you start sending them out, okay?